Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy help patients look younger. Testosterone contributes to healthy skin by adding oil production, which allows the skin to hold on to moisture. Skin can become dry, crepey, and dull when testosterone is low. In addition, testosterone is a natural blood vessel dilator, which facilitates blood flow to the skin. These two factors, moisture and blood flow, contribute to the dewy, rosy, vibrant complexion associated with youth. For women, estrogen and collagen go hand in hand. Collagen naturally plumps the skin, so when estrogen declines, wrinkles and saggy skin result. Prevention is key, so optimizing hormones as early as possible is essential to maintaining healthy, younger looking skin.